So good afternoon, Professor Monti. Good afternoon, Professor Ponci.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we are so glad that you come to the TGGS, and we would like to know more about your research institute and your personal information. So please introduce yourself to us.
First of all, I would like to say as well that I'm very happy to be here in Thailand visiting TGGS. My name is Antonello Monti. I'm director of the Institute for Automation of Complex Power System. My institute is part of the Ion Energy Research Center, which is a public-private partnership between our university and the large utility Ion. My group in particular focuses on everything that deals with the automation of modern power systems and the challenges that are brought by the so-called energy vendors, or the energy transformation that is going on in Germany.
Okay, so thank you very much, Professor. So may I turn to Professor Ponci. So could you please introduce yourself to us?
Yes, hello. My name is Ferdinanda Ponci. I'm a professor at RWTH Aachen, a professor for monitoring and distributed control for power systems. I'm originally Italian. I've been to the US for a while, and I'm in Germany now.
Okay, so thank you very much. And now let me turn to our collaborations. So we have done the collaboration for a couple of years, and in this year we have a very special event. So could you please tell us about the possible collaboration in terms of the student activity and the academic collaborations?
Yes, we have a very interesting opportunity for the student here. We have, for example, students that could come and do internship or doing the master thesis in my institute or other institute in the same area of power engineering. And so in that respect, I think it would be really good for the students to come to the open day, event, to the big event that you will have here to get to know better the opportunity directly and get to know a little bit more about the collaboration between Aachen and TGGS.
Yes, okay. So may I turn to Professor Ponci. So could you please attract the student coming to our event, and in your opinion, it would be good if they come and then see the technology that we have here?
Yes, TGGS is a high-tech place, a place to be, and it is a welcoming place, and we feel very welcomed. It's international, and the chance to collaborate with other universities, particularly with RWTH, is a great chance. So students will be happy to come, will enjoy the opportunity for the Day of Open Doors here at TGGS, March 16 to 18, 2019.
So thank you very much, Professor Monti, Professor Ponci. So hopefully we will see you on March 16th to March 18th for the open house. Thank you very much.